In order to create an HTML5 project, start by uploading your HTML5 assets into the AR Media Platform's Asset Manager. All the files that make up the HTML5 app or mini game need to be compressed into a zip file, without a folder, before uploading. Also make sure your zip package includes an index.html file. Move to the Projects area, and create a new planar project. Add a thumbnail. It is a mandatory requirement. Create a new experience and add a target image, in order to set up your trigger for the HTML5 content. Create a new HTML5 scene. Edit the scene by adding your previously uploaded HTML5 file. Flag the experience as completed, and test it on your device, using the AR Media Player.